Hello guys, how are you? First of all, subscribe my channel Technical World. So let's start our video. Today we are discussing about the different types of the credit cards. So what is the credit card? Cashback cards provide fast savings and easy to redeem rewards. Some pay a flat rate on all purchases, while others sell out higher rewards in certain categories. So let's start the different categories of the credit cards. First of all, Alien Cashback Visa Card. So this card will offer you to 3% cashback on all purchases in the first year, and later on after the first year it will be 2.5 after that. So it will offer you no bonus and annual fee will be activated for this card. Next one is American Express card. So this card will offer you 1.5 cashback on all purchases, and term and condition will be also applied. So it also offer no bonus and annual fee, no with annual fee. So next one is Capital One card. So Capital One card rewards 1.5% cashback on all purchases. In this card, bonus will not be activated and annual fee will not also be charged. So next one is Chase Freedom Ultimate. So this card will facilitate to you to 1.5 cashback on all purchases. It will offer you the bonus offer and no annual fee will be charged on this card. Next one is City Double Cash card. This card will you give you the bonus offer, no bonus offer and no annual fee. And this card will offer you 2% cashback on all purchases and 1% when you buy this card to pay. Next one is Citizen Bank Cashback. So this card will allow you 1.8% cashback on all purchases. No annual fee will be charged on this card. So and this card will now offer you to bonus offer. Next one is PayPal Cashback card. This card will offer you no bonus and no annual fee, and this will offer you 2% cashback on all purchases. So next one is US Bank Cash card. This will offer you 1.5 cash book back on the all purchases. This will offer you no annual fee and no bonus offer. Next one is Wells Fargo Cash Visa card. This will offer you 1.5 cashback on all purchases, and bonus will also be applied on this card and no annual fee will be charged on this one. Next one is Apple Card. So Apple Card will be categorized into two form of the purchases, and collectively it offer you 3% of the cashback purchase, 2% on the Apple Pay and 1% on the all other purchases. And this card will also uh, uh, so next one is Blue Cash card. So this card will also give you the 3% cashback on all the purchases, 1% on the all purchases and 2% at the US gas stations and US department stores. And this will surcharge you the no annual fee and no bonus offer on this card. Next one is Blue Cash Preferred card. So this will allow you 6% cashback at the US market, 6% on the select streaming subscription and 3% at the gas station and the other purchases. It will offer you the annual fee and no bonus offer will be activated. So next one is Cash Reward Credit Card by the Bank of America. This will allow you the no annual fee and will offer you this card will offer you 3% cashback on all the purchases, 2% at the grocery stores and 1% on the all other purchases. And this will charge no annual fee and will offer you the bonus offers all the seasons. So next one is Capital One Cash Card. This will offer you 4% cashback at the restaurants and 2% at the grocery store and 1% on the all other purchases. This will charge the annual fee and will offer you the bonus offer. Next one is Capital One Cash Card. This will offer you the 3% cashback at restaurants and entertainment, 2% at grocery store, and 1% on the all other purchases. So next one is Chase Freedom Card. This will offer you the annual fee, and this will also offer you the bonus offer. It will offer you the 5% cashback in all the purchases, 1% in the grocery store and the other one. So next one is Discover It Cashback Card. This will also offer you the 5% cashback in the all purchases and will surcharge the annual fee and will offer you the bonus offers. And the last one is Visa Signature Card by the US Bank. This will offer you the 5% cashback on all the purchases, 2% in every day, and 1% on the all other purchases. This will no surcharge on the annual fee and offer you the bonus offer. So guys, it's request to subscribe my channel and support my channel. Thank you very much.